This is an absolutely amazing meal full of the most extraordinary Middle Eastern delicacies, all very simple food, but so beautifully prepared and seasoned that it is absolutely fantastic. Even the pita is like way, way above what you ordinarily expect. And we had a meal very similar to this last night, but this is so far superior. I wish I could tell you the name of the restaurant, but at the moment I don't know. We just got off a bus, and here we are, all the people who are going to the opera in Acre, where we're going to see Don Giovanni by Mozart, my fave. Here again, another look at the food. Of course, simple coleslaw and olives, but this is a fabulous eggplant dish. And this is just plain eggplant, but I think grilled over a gas stove. Fabulous. Beets in a kind of a vinaigrette, delicious. Carrots seasoned, I don't know how, but just scrumptious. I think this might be zucchini. The best hummus I've had so far anywhere, not only in Israel. Just terrific. And my dinner companion is my fellow traveler, Daniel, who hails from, now from Miami, but originally is from Cuba. Daniel, just wave. Just wave. Just give a wave. Salut. No, it's wonderful. Great. Daniel's a new friend. We've been having a great time. Yeah, wonderful. See you later. Okay.